Millions of industrial PCs in various industrial sites require continuous monitoring, management, data or software distribution, and preparation for potential security threats. These pose important challenges for businesses. Introducing Samsung SDS SmartDTM that addresses all these challenges. Integrated management of PCs. With Samsung SDS IT capabilities and know-how, SmartDTM continuously monitors numerous terminal units, such as POS and kiosks, to proactively detect signs of failure and help administrators resolve issues remotely to maintain the devices in prime operating condition. Distribute and manage various software as package. In a complex industrial environment where there is a need for customized software on each terminal depending on market condition, SmartDTM packages the software for various situations in real time and deploys the software package to each terminal without errors, accelerating system deployment. Maintain tight control of security. For every terminal unit, the reference information, whitelist, created through a powerful vaccine engine, is encrypted and securely distributed by Samsung SDS's blockchain technology NextLedger. This enables SmartDTM to automatically block the security threat and allows system administrators to receive alerts in real time when any unauthorized access is attempted. SmartDTM integrates management, distribution, and security services to efficiently manage and reliably operate a wide variety of PCs. The industry-leading solution optimized for managing a wide variety of PCs. Samsung SDS SmartDTM.